Hi there! Today I am at Chom Doi condominium, brown building complex. This condominium is on Canal Road and very close to Nimman area and very short walk to the lifestyle shopping mall. This condominium was renovated with a very nice design. The size is around 47 square meters with a very stunning view. Let's go check that out. As I mentioned earlier, this studio was renovated with high quality material, including the kitchen and the bathroom. Let's start with the bathroom. This bathroom is very well designed, controlled in the white tone that make the bathroom look spacious and very nice. And right next to this is a white wardrobe and big mirror that hanging on the wall for you to check yourself before leaving the apartment. The built-in kitchen is also designed very nice. It's controlled with the white cabinet contrast with the black top kitchen that make it look elegant and very easy to clean. Sleeping area and living area is also designed very nice. You can just sit here and relax and enjoy the view of the Chiang Mai city and the far away of the mountain from here. And as you can see, this studio has got a big glass sliding door that leading to the balcony, and is you allowed to get a nature light and nature breeze come in. This condominium has got a simple facility that you need, such as a swimming pool, 24-hour security, and the keycard system to enter the building. As you can see, this condo for sale is fully furnished, just your suitcase to move in. To schedule and view this condominium, please contact me at the detail below. You also can share your idea with us at the comment below. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!